Bangkok on a Saturday night. We're heading out to have a look what's going on. It's noisy. So first stop is we're going to wander down to Benjakitti Park. It looks like it's going to be a nice sunset there. It's 5:45. So we'll have a look there and then we'll head to a street food market here in the heart of Asoke. But I see there's another street food market popped up here at the Exchange Tower, so we'll have a look at that on the way through. There's always something happening. They've really decorated the Exchange Tower really nicely with the lights.
Wow, how pretty.
Yeah, I don't know how often this is here, but it's nice and bright, that's for sure. Winter garden. Winter garden, it's far from winter here. Well, it is winter, but the temperature's still 27 degrees Celsius. But this is quite nice here. Are we going inside to look at the Christmas tree? We're going inside to look at the Christmas tree. We'll head in here first and look at the Christmas tree. And can't go in the outdoor. Oh, they've done a nice job for that. Benjakitti Park, and it's busy. Right, now we're heading to the little night market in Asoke for some dinner. If we can get through these crowds. We're going to duck down this alleyway here. Looks dodgy. I doubt you'll be able to see anything along here. At least it's dry. Did you make it? It wasn't that smelly this time. You can get a bit strong through there. Just opposite Terminal 21 here, and let's have a look at the Christmas tree. we'll get up on the walkway and have a look at that after dinner. But there's plenty of people around, that's for sure. We've been watching this tree get built for the last 2 weeks. Wasn't getting built fast enough for Adele, but they pretty much finished it probably last night. And from the reflection you can tell it's pink, but it does look pretty cool. So this tree's outside the Times Square building, and they did a good job. They were a bit dodgy the way they put it up though. The guy was swinging right at the top without any harness. So there wasn't much room for error. But yeah, it's definitely come up really nice. And right next door is the night market we're going to SW1 Market.
Cudnie dziewczyno.
That's SW1 Market done. Where to next? We'll head down to Terminal 21 and have a look at their Christmas setup there. But yeah, that's way better than it was when it opened, maybe in April, May this year. They've really got it set up well. We'll head down and have a look at this Christmas tree that Adele's been watching get set up. But yeah, Bangkok seems to have come to life. There you go. That was the Christmas tree at the Sheraton. past the Terminal 21 mall now. And I think I'll call it the end of the video here. We've had a look at a few Christmas trees and what's happening around the Asoke area on a Saturday night. As you can see, there are plenty of people around, so yeah, there's plenty more to see in the next couple of weeks. So if you've made it right through the end there, I appreciate it. And if you liked it, hit that like button, thanks, and consider subscribing. We'll go and explore parts of the city when I've been a bit crook, so in the next few weeks. But yeah, thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one. Where's Adelle gone?